Puerto Rico imports 80% of its food. I spent a month in Puerto Rico shortly after Hurricane Maria devastated the island, teaching self-reliance and helping to rebuild. To encourage people to grow their own food, I distributed 40 pounds of seeds and hundreds of seedlings. I scavenged what I could from this garden center that was destroyed by a mudslide during Hurricane Maria. For planters, I used whatever I could find. Plastic cups, water bottles, styrofoam containers, and things I scavenged from the garden center that was destroyed. I fell in love with the sounds of the insects, the frogs, and the lizards. It was a symphony of the jungle. I planted several varieties of crops: onions, mustard, radishes, sunflowers, and peas. The seeds that I planted were donated by the Kazawa Seed Company of San Francisco. To make it easier to distribute the seeds to people, I broke up the bulk seed that I brought with me into little aluminum packets. They were much easier to hand out. In each aluminum packet, I put roughly 100 seeds, more than enough to start a small garden. I distributed the seedlings and seed packets through local churches.
God bless you. Onion? Or mustard seeds. Christos. Faith? Mustard seed?
Yes, a little bit big.
It's a little bit big. So God bless you.
God bless you too. You're doing that in
In all fruit, yes, the pueblo.
God bless you.
God bless you. Deus te bendiga. Deus tu bendiga. God bless you. ¿En español?
Y Dios te bendiga.
Ajá. Dea.
Tú tienes la llave. Mi llave. Que no me vaya a dejar a pie. Pero tú vas a llevar la papa.
California. They said, Jesus said the faith of a
¿Qué
mustard
te va a
seed.
buscar aquí?
Grow your own food. You're very welcome. God bless you. One plant to start, and then they can make their own. Onion. You told you. Saguaro?
Cebolla.
Cebolla.
Okay, cebolla.
Cebolla. Piña. Mostaza. Oh, cebolla. Cebolla. This is different. This is radish. And alto.
¿Cuál es este?
Eso es radish, eso es, él lo buscó en, se llama y que es rábano,
Ah, ok.
pero que se cosa, el que se come, ¿no?
Ah, los rabanitos. Los rabanitos.
Sí, que los echan a las ensaladas
Sí,
y...
sí, sí, yo los compro.
Because the dirt, there's only like an inch of dirt, then they won't get big.
Ok, eso que me explique bien cómo cuidar esto. Es que no sé cómo...
Sí, que él lo que dice que you just drop the seeds on top of the dirt, right? You don't have, o sea, que no tienes que meter la semilla dentro de la tierra, solamente por encimita. Y a la que crezcan por lo menos 2 o 3 pulgadas, pues ya puedes sacar y usarla para ensalada o para sopas o lo que sea.
¿Cómo los desprendo?
You just, what, you cut them off or you just...
You cut them. I just take scissors.
Sí, que lo que hace con una tijerita lo...
What about this tall?
Cuando tiene como 3 pulgaditas.
Pero no echas rabanito a este chiquito rojo, este no es.
No.
Ok, yo pensé que era el chiquitito.
Lo que se usa solamente es la hoja.
Ah, ok, como así, ponete así.
Like 2 or 3 inches maybe.
Once they get their second leaves, that's when you cut them.
Así que cuando echen la segunda parte de hoja, pues ahí es que se comen.
Ah, ok. También en el sol.
Direct sunlight as well. Good.
Acá vamos. Thank you for
You're very welcome.
Thank you.
You're very welcome.
Thank you.
God bless you.
I pray for your church and
play for Puerto Rico.
Okay, thank you. For coming and for all.